In this concise video, I will demonstrate how to perform a swap of Solana for USDT within your Metamask wallet. To do this, I need to switch to the Solana network. Solana inside my Metamask wallet. I have already established a wallet right here. If you don't currently have one, Metamask will prompt you to create this wallet. Following that, you will then need to deposit funds into it so that you can initiate a swap. Since I already have Solana in my balance, I can proceed directly to the swap function. I will go ahead and click on swap right away. So, I have Solana chosen at the top there, and then at the bottom, I will choose USDT, which is what we need for this specific case. I'll specify the amount of Solana I wish to swap for USDT, for instance, 0.01. Then, I'll proceed by clicking the Submit button. I can see there's a network fee. This is what it looks like. You must have at least this particular amount of Solana within your wallet to cover the transaction fee. And then, we'll proceed by clicking Confirm. Now, we can observe this completed transaction. We'll navigate to the Tokens tab, and there we can observe that a bit more than 1.5 USDT has now been successfully added to our balance. This is precisely how you can effortlessly swap Solana for various other tokens present on the Solana network, all by utilizing your Metamask wallet. If you still have questions, leave a comment under this video.